dos, tres.
Magandang araw mga kapalibot! Andito tayo ngayon sa Bolinao, Pangasinan, na kung saan lilibutin natin ang Campo Ore na matatagpuan sa Barangay Tupa, Sitio Pansur. Tara! Balsa kami, dami namin gamit. Para kami magbabakasyon ng 2 linggo. Sa gamit pa lang, panalo na eh.
Gamit tayo eh.
Parang naglipat ng bahay. Usapan camping lang ha. Ba't parang naglipat tayo ng bahay? Minimalist no? Minimalist, parang hindi na babalik.
Like a Valentine's at the King George V, a Mardi Gras in New Orleans, a shooting star on a moonlit beach, just you and me. And I could find myself down on one knee, laying my life at your feet, promising your heart to keep, just you and me. And it could be romantic. It could be romantic. You were sparkling like a diamond ring, made me feel like I could do anything if I could be the one to take you home. But when you're top down right up here, the look in your eye made it very clear that I'd be walking alone.
Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Alright. So bago tayo bumakbak, kakain muna tayo. Ito ang niluluto. Galunggong. May bagoong. Angas na pwesto namin dito guys. 3 kubo. 4 pala. Yan.
Ay kapalibot.
So amin to. Halos wala mga tao dito sa camp ngayon, no?
Libre lang yan kasi alam nila hindi si kapalibot.
Oo, ay nakalibre tayo dito, no? So, ano lang. Ito kasi mga to, alam ko may bayad eh. So, dito na kami pinapwesto kasi hindi pa yata nalilinis doon. So, ayan. Nakalibre kami. Ba? Angas dito. Sana makalibre din kayo pagpunta nyo dito. Ganda dito. Oh, par.
2 beses kang yung 2 nights mo dito, bayaran mo, free yung isa.
Totoo?
Oo.
Ah, grabe. Oh.
So 2 plus 1 siya.
Oh, may promo sila ngayon.
Kung ka ng 2 nights, may libre kang isang night, 1 night.
Ayun, oh, may promo. Sana all, nakaka-promo.
Yun nga lang, ang plano lang natin is 2 nights. Sayang din, sayang yung...
So, babatsi rin kasi kami. Iikot kami para hindi sayang biyahe. Marami kayo mapupuntahan, di ba? Angas, oh. Tira solo to. Ah, tol, tira solo ka dyan, tol, ah. Tira solo. Bap, kamusta dyan, Bap?
Bap?
All goods ba dyan?
Good. Tamang Manila, oh.
Tamang Manila. Ano yung Manila kinakain mo? Basa?
Hindi nga basa.
Yun lang.
My door is open. You can come in if you please. My home is your home. You're welcome here with me. I'll ask no questions. I don't care where you've been. I'm just happy to have you here. Know this, my friend. You are valued. You are seen. You are safe here next to me. You are unique, more than enough. You are you, and you matter. You are loved. Oh, you are loved. You are loved. You are